Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing a keyboard with the action and range you need. 61 keys are portable, 88 replicate piano. Once powered and routed to speakers or headphones, set a clear piano patch so you hear dynamics. Place hands correctly, curved fingers, relaxed wrists, thumbs slightly tucked. Next, find middle C and engage a 60 BPM metronome to lock steady timing. Do this now so every practice session begins with repeatable conditions and immediate focus. With basics set, build coordination by practicing one-octave scales slowly. Play hands separately until fingering is automatic, then combine them. Once done, add rhythmic variation. Lock quarter notes, then introduce eighths and triplets to develop evenness. Make sure to use dynamics, play soft then loud, to train touch sensitivity. If your keyboard supports split or layer, assign bass to the left and pads to the right for real-time arrangement practice. This teaches you how parts interact and improves musical decision-making. Finish songs by chaining learned sections and rehearsing transitions until smooth. Practice the hardest bar 10 times in context rather than the whole piece. Record your run-throughs and listen critically, noting 2 specific improvements to apply next time. If something goes wrong, no sound, latency, or wrong patch, first verify audio cables and volume, then check MIDI channel assignments and velocity curve settings. If the problem persists, restart the keyboard and test with headphones to isolate hardware versus routing issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.